Hi and welcome to day 7 of Summer and Sea Tangles. Today I'm going to show you a really simple tangle, Zentangle's Tangle Says, which is perfect for this theme. I'm using the Jelly Roll 10 for a change, and I will just start with these random circles scattered around. This might be it. Once you have these circles, start by adding aura lines. And it's basically as simple as that. Now add aura lines as long as you can. And because it's so simple, I will just be quiet and play music. And it's as simple as that. That is says, and you can see that I interrupted these lines, which is not in line with the original step out, but I don't know, I felt like doing it like that. And of course, this doesn't need a lot of shading or highlighting. I will add white highlights in the central parts of each of these little merging units of says. And of course I will take the blending stump and just blend it, and then maybe you can add some shades where the lines meet. And ideally I think I would choose maybe some kind of a blue pastel pencil or something like that. But because I'm using these limited supplies here, I'm going to go with the graphite pencil, but just so you know, try it also with different supplies. And it doesn't have to be complex like you see here. It can be very simple and yet really cute. This is a great texture tangle for, you know, to use between other tangles when you do seaside scene or underwater scene. But you can also use it for a little bit of transcending effects, meaning if you want to draw in layers, so put some layers on top of the others, like doing it exactly like this with white pen over the regular drawing. It might give your drawing some additional visual interest. I just added a little bit more highlights between those shaded parts. Basically adds some more contrast. This is it. I will finish this by drawing the name of the tangle, just the usual thing. And as always, thank you for drawing with me, and I will see you probably in 2 days. Bye.